Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're baking chocolate marshmallow cookies. This is based upon a recipe from the famous Utah bakery called Cutler's, which I haven't been to and or tried these cookies. But these cookies have a brownie base, they've got some marshmallow fluff on top, and then they have some chocolate frosting. I mean, come on, they sound fantastic, right? Of course, I was inspired by this song. All that time I wondered what to do with marshmallow fluff. Well, we're gonna use it up today. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second thing you want to do is get your cookie sheet ready to go, either with parchment paper or grease it well. Soften salted butter, granulated sugar, beat well, egg, vanilla, beat until combined, flour, cocoa powder, secret ingredient, espresso powder, just a little bit, baking powder, salt. Stir a little bit before you mix this up, otherwise you're gonna have a cloud of, well, flour and stuff. Mix until just combined. Using a 1/4-inch scoop, go ahead and get some of that cookie dough on a cookie sheet. Refrigerate for about 20 minutes and then we're going to flatten them into pucks. Now that the cookies are nice and cold, we're going to flatten them, and you could use your hand and just literally smash them down, but I'm going to use the bottom of a glass that I'm going to dip in water and then smush it down. Basically want these like pucks, just like that. Into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes until they're just set around the edges. Time's up and they're looking set. All right, they are looking good. Let's go ahead, take them out, let them sit on the baking sheet for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll make the frosting. Time for the frosting. Butter, beat until creamy. Cocoa powder, confectioner sugar, vanilla extract, mix slowly. Heavy cream or milk. You're going to want to add a tablespoon of marshmallow fluff on top. Dollop some of the frosting on top. Okay, continue on to your other cookies. All right, take a look at this chocolate marshmallow cookie. You can see that that marshmallow fluff has started to kind of ooze its way down because I got a little bit excited by adding more marshmallow to it, so be forewarned about that. But it looks fantastic, right? And that frosting on top, it's all in the taste. Wow, that is a great cookie. It's got that brownie texture and flavor, and that espresso powder just takes it to the next level. And then it's got that marshmallow softness and sweetness on top, and then add that frosting. I mean, come on, buttercream frosting, what's not to like? This is super, super, super delicious. If I can make these chocolate marshmallow cookies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. If you've seen any products that I've used that you've liked and are interested in, don't forget to check out my Amazon link in the description. And also, check me out on Instagram and TikTok for so much more, like really a lot more.